Before the third week of January each year, Grand Adventure hosts an RV rally. Time to coincide with the annual Quartzsite Sports, Vacation, and RV Show that draws hundreds of thousands of RVers to the tiny southwestern Arizona desert town of Quartzsite. In this episode of Grand Adventure, we'll bring you along to the Q25 RV Rally, so stay tuned. Around 100 RVers boondocked in the BLM's La Posa South long-term visitor area for the Q25 RV Rally, held from January 17th until the 27th, 2025. We made a conscious decision to get back to basics this year, focusing on what makes these RV rallies special, reconnecting with old friends and making new ones. That meant scaling back the size and scope of the rally from the much larger and much more scheduled Q24. Participants still organized and led scheduled events ranging from potluck dinners to UTV excursions into the surrounding Chihuahuan desert. Feedback from attendees on this year's simplified format was universally positive. Mike of the YouTube channel The Lost RVers expanded the rally's mini golf course this year to a full 6 holes. Perhaps we'll have a full 9-hole course for Q26. Emergency transport provider Massa even treated rally attendees to a free pizza night on Friday. The highlights of the week, though, remained the nightly campfires, allowing folks to get to know one another and make lifelong friendships within the RV community. Full-timers and weekenders alike gather by the large campfires each night to chat and socialize. There's no charge to attend these rallies aside from the camping permit fees charged by the BLM and tossing a few bucks into the hat passed to help pay for the firewood. we'll bring you down the road to the annual Quartzsite Sports Vacation and RV Show and provide the details for Q26, right after a brief message from our valued video sponsor, Brooklyn Bedding. So stay tuned. Improve your sleep while camping with a new RV mattress from our video sponsor, Brooklyn Bedding. They offer 4 different mattress constructions in 21 different sizes, depending on preference and price point. Everything from standard queen to all of those funky, odd RV sizes. Brooklyn Bedding manufactures all of its mattresses right at their factory in Arizona. And RVmattress.com ships them right to your door for free, all rolled up and compressed in a vacuum seal. Just cut the wrap to unroll the mattress onto your bed, then cut the vacuum seal. For our mattress, Brooklyn Bedding starts with a layer of high-density foam for a supported base. Just above the base, an 8-inch core of over 1,000 individually encased coils provides the essential support. Immediately above the coils is a 1-inch layer of memory foam and 2-inch layer of hyper-elastic TitanFlex foam. Finally, at the very top is a 1.5-inch layer of antimicrobial CopperFlex foam with TitanCool, which is designed to maintain an ideal sleep body temperature of 88 degrees. Every RV mattress from Brooklyn Bedding comes with a limited lifetime warranty and a 120-night sleep trial. Visit RVmattress.com/grandadventure and use code GRANDADVENTURE to get a full 30% off your entire order. One day of strong winds turned La Posa South into a sandstorm, forcing rally attendees to nail everything down and hunker down inside to simply ride it out. Aside from that day, attendees enjoyed sunny days with high temperatures in the 60s and low 70s, with overnight lows dipping into the 30s. Perfect weather for a January RV rally. Our annual rally is timed to coincide with the RV Show, held in the Big Tent only 3 miles from the Q25 base camp. According to the Arizona Highway Department, as many as 750,000 to 1 million people, mostly in RVs, converge on this sleepy little desert town just off Interstate 10 for the rock, gem, and mineral shows, plus numerous flea markets and the Quartzsite Sports Vacation and RV Show. This phenomenon started over 40 years ago and is now billed as the largest gathering of RVers in the world. The RV Show hosted a well-attended YouTube personality meet and greet on the Friday afternoon of the show, giving attendees the opportunity to chat one-on-one with their favorite YouTube RV content creators. The flea markets of Tyson Wells, situated immediately adjacent to the Big Tent, provide just about anything an RVer may ever need, ranging from RV parts to tools, e-bikes to groceries, along with some exceptional food and drink. We'll be hosting our rally out in Quartzsite once again in 2026. Q26 will run from January 16th to the 26th of 2026. You won't want to miss this opportunity to come out camping in the desert, making new, lifelong, like-minded RV camping friends. We'll put a link down below in the video description to the Facebook group for the event. That way you can keep up with the planning and the staging of the event as things come together later this year. We would love for you to come camping with us out in the desert at Q26. We hope that you've enjoyed this episode of Grand Adventure. If you like this episode, please be sure to give us a big thumbs up down below. And while you're down below, you'll find the comment section where we always love to hear from you each and every week, because we air new outdoor RV adventure travel videos each and every Wednesday. So if you're not yet a Grand Adventurer yourself, there is no better time than right now for you to go smash that little subscribe button right down there in the lower right-hand corner of your screen and ring that notification bell to be sure that you never miss a Grand Adventure. We'd be honored if you shared the channel with your friends, family, and on social media. So until next Wednesday, please remember, life is nothing but a grand adventure. We'll see you then.